get priority access now. Another course, another day. That's kind of what this feels like. I remember when it was all new to me, and if you don't know much, many of them are pretty good. But if you've been around the block for a while, you know that a lot of courses basically say the same thing with different words. It's such a shame too. I always want to learn something new, but too often, these courses, well, they just don't have anything to offer at all. They're just the same rehashed stuff I've seen about a million times already, and they do nothing for me at all. I admit that I wasn't expecting much, and I was right at first. You see, this thing had the usual stuff. But then it actually took things further and had so much more to offer me than what I was expecting. It was incredible to see, and I was so blown away while going through it that I nearly spit my coffee out. Truth be told, there are very few things I've found that are more incredible than this course. I mean, for real, if I'm telling you it's truly one of the most remarkable things I have ever seen, then that's saying something. Click the link below and grab your complimentary mini course.